right, I'm Marco Gonzalez with Up Above Adventures. We're on out here doing the Kima Clear Lake holiday night cruises, and so we can get in the festive spirits. And got her hooked. Look at her; she looks beautiful. She's all dolled up, with some real pretty reefs.
Start them.
Captain Ricky Bobby, screwing up. Yeah. What's up? But and then there's Captain John over here as well too. Wow. Yeah. So we're not catching dinosaurs this time. We're catching some Christmas lights. Catching some Christmas lights, having some fun, and and it's just enjoying this beautiful Kima area and this boardwalk. So we got some people coming on out and ready to have some fun. There's charcuterie boards, there's food, there's drinks, inside, and we're just gonna have a blast. Have some fun tonight.
How was your trip?
Amazing.
You have an awesome time?
We're sailing the open water.
Open water. Did you have a good night? Did you have a good trip?
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Everything was really fantastic here.
So a nice little holiday cruise, thanks for everything that y'all do, and I appreciate y'all, a whole bunch. And so let's have some fun. Let's get into the holiday spirit and let's eat and drink, baby.
Thank you, Marco.
Cheers.
Thank you.
Cheers. right, that's it. You have a good night.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
So this is the family department. Okay.
Divorces.
Divorces.
Protective order. Child support.
Immigration department.
So what y'all think about this boat? A nice boat?
Yes.
You enjoy it? So what's your favorite thing about so far today? What's going on?
The shots.
The shots?
Yeah.
Not the company?
Yeah.
Yeah. What's your favorite thing about today so far? The shots? The drinks. You?
Company.
The company. There you go.
The freedom.
The freedom, right?
She's like the company that got us the drink.
The bartender's the best though.
Yes. He is the one and only.
coming aboard. I hope you enjoyed the trip. You know, and we do it because you guys are special to us, and because you all provide a fantastic service to our clients, and we appreciate all of you.